to schedule reels on the Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can schedule the reels in your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So before posting any of the reel, you have to update your Instagram. For that you have to go in your Play Store or the app store that you are using, and here you just have to search for the Instagram. Now once you're in here, you have to click on it and make sure that your Instagram is updated. And after updating your Instagram, you just have to go back and open up your Instagram application. Now once you're in here, you have to click on this plus icon to create a reel, and as you can see that there is the four option. You have to select the reel, and from here you have to add the reel in your account. Now from here you have to edit this reel as you want. What you have to do is simply click on the next, and from here you can add the music that you want to add, and here you can edit it as you want. Like you can add the effects or the stickers or any of the type that you want to edit in your reel. Now after that you just have to click on the next. Now here you just have to scroll down, and here in the bottom there is the option of the advanced settings. You have to click on it, and from here you just have to again scroll down, and as you can see that here in the schedule contact there is the option of the schedule this reel. You have to simply enable this icon, and from here you just have to choose the date and the time that is given below. The time zone is based on your device settings, and after that you just have to set the timing in your reel, and that's how you can schedule your reel in your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.